Hello and good afternoon. This is the Chief of the Club of Smarts here with your third educational video. So here we're doing some math. So you can see 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, which is pretty simple as far as everyone knows, but this is how we derive it as far as complex mathematics goes. So here we're going to square root each of the following terms so that we get square root of 1 plus square root of 1 is equal to square root of 2. And where square root of 1 is actually equal to 1, we have 1 plus 1 is actually equal to square root of 2. As you can see now, there's two different values for the same equation. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, which is actually equal to the square root of 2. Makes sense, right? Then if we cube each of these terms, then 8 is equal to the square root of 2 cubed. Again, this is just simple algebra. So now for square rooting 8, we have square root of 8 is equal to the double square root of 2 cubed. Square root of 8 is equal to this double square root again of 2 cubed, but we're going to, what the hell? Square root of 8 is equal to double square root of 8, which is, I know, pretty simple as far as I'm concerned. So 8 is equal to square root of 8, because if we square each side, obviously some of the square roots cancel away. So 8 is equal to square root of 8. Pretty simple. So now we have to add in our variable x. X is a member of the real numbers because otherwise it wouldn't work. So 8x is equal to x times the square root of 8. Just adding the variable on each side to make sure it doesn't change our equation. So if we divide each side by x minus 4, because this just makes sense as far as university mathematics goes, you'll learn about this later on. So we divide that by each side. We're going to multiply each side by 1 to bring it up into the numerator. So here we're going to have those cancel out. Some of them cancel out, the rest of them don't need to. So then we're going to bring this up to the top of the page so you can see it a little bit better. 8x times x minus 4 is equal to x root 8 x minus 4. So that means 8, to expand these brackets here, we're going to do 8x squared is equal to 32x, which is equal to 3. This whole equation here is using Kyber's universal law of principles. So now you can see 4x times 2x minus 4 is equal to 3. And this all, as you're going to see, x is actually equal to 2. I messed up there, sorry. That'll be changed to a 2. Nice. So now, to show you that 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 is equal to this, we can sub in our x. So 8 times 2 times 2 times 2 minus 4 is equal to 3. Now this means that 16 times, as you can see, that bracket actually equals 0. 16 times 0 is equal to 3, which means 0 is equal to 3. I know this sounds weird, but you will understand later. Constant terms can have different values. It's kind of weird. So then our statement here, if 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, then 0 is equal to 3, which works, and you will learn this later on, trust me. Thanks again for watching an educational video. I'm sure you'll learn lots and apply all these very, very real skills to the real life and pass them on to others. Thanks.